Indian Premier League IPL 2025 Gujarat Titans team best probable squad. Gujarat Titans team best squad. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Ben Katashire. Number 3 Cameron Green. Number 4 Riddhiman Saha. Number 5 David Miller. Number 6 David Warner. Number 7 Rahul Thawatia. Number 8 Deepak Hooda. Number 9 Matthew Wade. Number 10 Noor Ahmed. Number 11 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 12 Mohit Sharma. Number 13 Umesh Yadav. Number 14 Kumar Kushagra. Number 15 Moin Ali. Number 16 Mukesh Kumar. Number 17 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 18 Spencer Johnson. Number 19 Sai Sudarshan. Number 20 Deepak Chahar. So dear viewers, which is your predicted squad? You can let us know by commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video.